Meta is going through a direction that's gonna automate everything. And what is gonna be needed? It's creatives. And creatives is the thing that we need most right now. What is the problem? The costs. AdRoast is here to bridge this gap. With a fraction of the cost that you're gonna have by using an agency, you're gonna be able to have a lot of images and a lot of videos AI generated. How does it work? Either you're gonna put your product URL, you're gonna put an image, or you're just gonna describe what you wanna do. You're gonna select the preset that you like, or you're just gonna do it without the preset, and it's gonna generate 3 concepts for you. It's gonna roast each one of the concepts, and it's gonna give you a specific grade for each one of them. After that, you can actually choose to improve further. Same with the videos, you're gonna pick any preset that you want, and then it's gonna generate a video for you. With the social pack feature, you can actually create 30 images, which is actually the whole organic content for the month. What you're winning with AdRoast, you know, because we roast the ads before you even test them, if they have good chances to work or not, then you can improve them further. You can improve them further with AI edits or normal edits. And of course, the most important thing of all, you can use presets if you don't know how to do prompting. So, happy creating with AdRoast, and I will hope to see you inside. Hi guys, so we have discussed a lot about different e-commerce stores, niches, and I will keep posting on different niches. But let's say that you are someone that you are selling a service, you don't have a website, you have nothing, you don't have creatives, and you just want to get lead generation. You run lead generation ads to get leads in a local area, okay? You don't have a website, you have nothing. We are covering also that. So if we come here and we go on the images to produce, we have the describe button over here. So let's say that we are a personal trainer, okay? Let's say I'm a personal trainer working with men that want to get into calisthenics, train outdoors with groups in the nature. Create images with calisthenics training in the nature. Only men, ages from 20 to 45. Okay, and now let's add more context over here. You can do your messaging offer, you can put more information here. I guess if you don't have a website and stuff, you have to be really descriptive over here. But let's say that we want to add a specific text. Let's say that it's our offer, for example, okay? The first session is for free. Okay? The first session is for free. Okay? So this is the one. Okay, nothing else. Basically, we press continue. And basically now, out of nothing, it's gonna start creating, sorry, I forgot to tell you that over here, in order for this to work, we have to enhance with AI, because this is something that you describe, it doesn't mean that it's correct necessarily. Our tool is gonna make it friendly, so that it's gonna be a proper prompt to generate proper stuff. It created the prompt based on what you said, and we press continue. We can pick something from our templates over here. Obviously, we can go, I don't know if we have something outdoor. Yeah, of course we have. Maybe it's gonna be something like this. The sunset. Basketball. Yeah, maybe we should try that. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so these are the results. Remember, we have nothing, okay? We have not an image, nothing, you know? Obviously, we can do and try again other prompts and say that I want it to be in a park, for example. Here we set outdoors, which means, and this is the problem, you know, with prompting. Outdoors means on the forest, obviously, okay? So this is one that we have over here. This is another one. This is my favorite, to be honest with you. Outdoor calisthenics, blah, blah. And the first session is for free. We have it here, but this is not good. What we can do is that we can take this one, we can save it, and then we can come on this one and AI edit, and we can add an object, which is gonna be this one, add the reference image object on the bottom left of the image and apply. There you go. It has it also as a sign, but you can remove it if you don't want it as a sign, and you can put it normally. It doesn't matter. It's up to you what you're gonna create based on your prompt. But for sure, this is a tool that's gonna give you images when you have nothing, and you can do it with any local business or anything that you need. You can do it without a template, with a template, whatever. It's up to you. Let me know if you have used it and for which reason it was useful for you. You can watch also this video. I'm showing you how you can steal your competitor ads and make them your own, so that you don't have to reinvent the wheel, actually be able to run already successful ads that they are proven because they're working with your competitors.